Hi, it's Anne from The Useless Crafter. I want to show you today just a quick tutorial how to download a file and upload it to Design Space. So I just bought on Etsy. So what you want to do is you want to go to You and go to Purchases and Reviews. And here's the file I just bought. So you want to download the file. Okay, so it's downloading over here. And then what you want to do is you want to go and you want to show in folder. So this is where it's going to pop up. It's here. You have to unzip it. You can't upload everything in at one time. So you have to go into your zip file and go find the image that you want. Now here's the other thing. This has 18 images. It's not named. You literally have to go in and open each one to see what you have. I'm going to randomly pull in number 2. Okay, and I'm going to put it into my desktop. You have to bring your files out so that you can find it and upload it into Design Space, okay? So here's one of the things that I hate about, I think it's the thriftiness in me, where I want to buy, well, for an extra 50 cents, I get 20 more files. Well, you know what? It's 20 more images. I need to go in and look and see if I want to upload. So my thing is buy what you need, and that should be your philosophy in life. Right? I don't need the extra pair of shoes even though it's only 10 bucks or whatever. Okay, so we've downloaded the file. Go into Design Space, go into upload, go into upload image, browse. You got to go find your file now, okay? And we put it in desktop and it's number 2. Double click on it. Oh, and perfect, it's Poppy. So name it Poppy and save. So now this is one of your images that you have uploaded into Design Space. If you want to use this one right now, then you would select it. You can also select multiple images at one time and go in and insert your image. And it's coming, okay? And there's your file. And this goes the same with any image that you buy from Etsy or any downloads that you do on DeFont or font bundles. So let me know if there's something that you're seeing that I missed in this step. But that's pretty much how I download and upload all my files from another source into Design Space. All right, thank you.